Hello everyone, I am Bharadwaj. Now I will be discussing the topic image view from the subject mobile application development. Generally, they are used to handle images in an application so that the user can view it. Now let us move into this session. Let me give a brief introduction about image views. It is an UI component used to display images in mobile applications. Generally, it provides a simple way to show static images or even icons and animated graphics, and proper handling of it enhances the visual appeal and user experience of the application. Now, this image at the right side is just for an attraction purpose. This image is not at all related to this concept. As I'm dealing with image view, so I thought of keeping some images to attract the viewer. That's next, adding image view in a layout. Generally, Android applications are created using a platform called Android Studio. So in that platform, we'll be having different layout files, and image view is generally added in XML layout file using code. And this is a small snippet of image view using XML code. You can see this Android column source SRC. Here we will place the path of the image that we want to place in the image view section. And adjusting the layout parameters helps in positioning and sizing the image appropriately. Next, how to set image source programmatically. You can even set the image source using Java or Kotlin file at the runtime. And this is a small snippet of image view using Java. And this approach allows dynamic image updates based on user interactions or data fetched from the internet. We can also load the images from the internet using different web browsers. So for that, we use some third-party libraries like Glide or Picasso. And here, this is a small snippet of code, XML code for using third-party applications or libraries like Glide for pasting the images in the image view from the internet. And using these libraries simplifies image loading, caching, and even placeholder management. Next topic, scaling and cropping images. We generally fit the image in the image view section, but how to scale it or even crop it for auto layout. So image view supports various scale types such as fit center, crop, center crop, and fit XY to control image display. And this is a small XML snippet for particular type for center crop images. And this ensure image fills the view while maintaining aspect ratio, and proper scaling improves image presentation, especially on different screen sizes and orientation. Generally, we can open an application using a desktop or PC or a mobile phone. So the screen size differs. So the application should fit the screen according to the aspect ratio. For that we use something called as auto layout. So the application fits itself according to the screen size. So the images in the image view should also fit according to the screen size. So for that purpose, we use scaling and cropping images. Like handling images and loading errors and placeholders. So for this purpose, we use third-party application libraries like Glide. So it allows setting placeholder images while loading and error image if loading fails. So this is an example of the Glide code, and this improves user experience by providing visual feedback during image loading. It's optimizing image resources. Compress images and choose appropriate resolutions to reduce app size and improve performance. Next, one more thing, we use vector drawbars for simple graphics to scale without losing quality. And always consider device memory limitations to prevent crashes or slowdown caused by large images. Large images sometimes, it loads slowly. So because of it, it may cause some trouble to the application. So for that, we optimize the image resources so that that problem won't occur.
Okay, till now we discussed about the theoretical explanation of image views. Now let us move into a small practical demo. Let me show you a small practical demo how the actual code works in our Android apps. So this is the XML code and it is saved with an extension .xml, and this is the backend Kotlin code. This is saved with an extension .kt. Now these are the uh, setup codes. We can run them directly. So before running this code, we have to set up our image resources. So for that, nothing. Go to this app folder, click on resource folder, click on drawable folder, right click on it, select show in resource manager, and click this plus icon and import drawables. And from your PC, uh, upload the image where the image is located. We select it. So, and here is our image. I selected our YouTube video thumbnail as an sample image for explaining this code. And now once the image is loaded, here you can see that Android src equal to at the rate drawable. Here in place of image we have to name which we saved our image. So here at the rate drawable slash, the name should be the same as the name which our image was saved. And next, if you move into activity, here package com dot example dot image view. Here our this extension should be the name of the folder or name of the file in Android Studio in which we are executing the code. And here also r dot drawable dot the name of the image file. And yes, if the code works correct, then you can see a tick mark on the right side. And here also the code is perfect. And next, how to run this code. So before that, we should select a device. So, let me show you the demo of this code, how it runs. Later I will move on to the how to set up the output display. First, let the code run. Let us see the first sample output of it. It takes time based on your internet connection. If your internet connection is fast, then you can see the output early. If not, it takes time to load everything. It's taking more time. Generally, what we will do is click on this device manager, and here you can see this plus icon, add a new device. Click on this, create a virtual device, and you can see a list of options. So you can select one mobile phone among them and click on next and click on finish. Then you can see a virtual device here like this medium phone ABI 36.0, and it is still running. After it runs, you can see the output on the phone screen. So once the output comes, then our work is done. here you can see the output. So a phone appears on your screen. A phone screen appears on the right hand side of Android application or Android Studio, and you can see our image on the phone screen. And that's it. This is the practical demo of how image view code works.
Like, let me give, this is all about image view concept, and let me give a brief summary and also tell some best practices. Like, use image view effectively by choosing suitable scale types and image sources. And also one more thing, leverage libraries, third-party libraries like Glide or Picasso for remote image to handle caching and error efficiently. Remote images are nothing but generally, as I said earlier, we create Android applications using a platform called Android Studio. So for that, we have to load the images in particular layout file, particularly manifest file for you know getting the path of the images. In some cases, we directly import images from online or even from our PC. So those images are called as remote images. And for that purpose, we use Glide or Picasso as third-party libraries to load the remote images. And one more thing, the best practice is optimize images for size and quality to ensure smooth performance across different devices and screen densities. So that's it for today, and thank you.